Hi fellows, and welcome to How to Fix. Today, we'll be tackling a tricky bug that you might have encountered. Let's jump straight into the bug of the day. Let's now execute code 1 to generate the error and observe the outcome. So here's the breakdown and the fix for the issue. Please feel free to pause the video to read through the explanation. Now let's fix the code and see what the result is going to be. And ta-da! The code is working as it should and our output is looking good. The error has disappeared. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more code fixing videos. Stay curious, keep learning, and happy coding everyone!